It began with a simple idea. What if we could create the beauty of wood without its limitations? In 2006, Eva-Last was born, driven by a need for something better, more durable, more sustainable, and built for the future. Within just a few years, that idea grew into Africa's leading composite decking brand and later expanded beyond decking into composite systems that would redefine outdoor living. By 2014, the world was calling. Eva-Last stepped onto the global stage, expanding across Europe, Australasia, and beyond. Different climates, different demands, one standard: performance without compromise. Innovation has always been at our core, from advanced composite technologies to smarter profile design to systems that simplify installation and deliver a refined, seamless finish. Every detail engineered to last longer, perform better, and reduce impact. Because building for the future means protecting it, using rapidly renewable bamboo, recycled plastics, and solar-powered manufacturing. Sustainability isn't a feature, it's our foundation. In 2018, we entered one of the most competitive markets in the world. And we didn't just arrive in these countries, we grew. And we evolved into a global brand trusted in over 30 countries. Today, our products are redefining what's possible. But this isn't the finish line, it's just the beginning of what comes next. More innovation, more sustainability, more possibilities. 20 years of Eva-Last, built on purpose, driven by innovation, inspired by nature, designed for life.